Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes, ideas and things we want to make at home. Anyway, I get a request for ginger tea. You know what I mean? You know, every day someone subscribes to my channel and every day someone asks for something new or something which I'm already made. And I like to just say, you know what, and I just love to make my fans them feel welcome when they just subscribe to my channel. So all my new subscribers, them, welcome. We love you. Thank you. We had a team work very hard to find the best recipe for you guys. And I want to say, you know what happened? Someone requested some ginger tea from me, and I definitely say, you know what, I'm gonna make it from my heart, and I make it lovely and nice. Thank you so much. Subscribe, leave in the comments, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also Google Plus. Subscribe. Give me, I want to get 6,000 likes on this video. Very brilliant. This video, the ginger tea, good for your body, good for cold. You know what I mean? We live in a country which is very cold, good for the cold weather. You know what I mean? It's just amazing to know what ginger tea can do to your body when you drink a cup of ginger tea. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch the video. And my name is Chef Ricardo. One more time again, represent the best food for you guys. One love from me and the team. Stay tuned. Welcome back again to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Yeah, I want to say my fans, them, you know what I mean, them love my show because I tell you, every day someone subscribe my channel and every day someone asks Chef Ricardo for a new recipe or a recipe which I have already. I get a request for ginger tea, very important tea. Ginger have a lot of benefits and they have a lot of stuff to do with your body. And also such a time like now which is very cold, you can drink some ginger tea, you know what I mean? Get rid of that cold, that flu, that sickness which is coming. So what I want to say to you, just to make you guys plain and straight, that, you know what I mean, I'm gonna make some ginger tea. I get a request for it and I definitely want to do it. Anyway, first thing, get a big bowl like this. If not, you can grate it right on the surface or in a bowl or a plate or whatever. Second thing, what you're going to do, get a grater. I love to use a grater. And what I'm going to do, get a fat chunk of piece of a ginger like this. And I'm going to simple grate it. I'm going to grate it first. Let's grate this thing. Lovely. The only reason why I left back this piece, I don't want to scrape my hand, my finger on this sharp thing right here, so I just left this piece. So basically, you can see I grated the ginger. You can cut up your ginger finely if you like to. If you don't want to grate it, you can cut it up finely, just to make you guys see exactly what's going on right in my kitchen today. Then next thing is to put some hot water in it like this. Ginger tea. And also you can put some lemon if you like to. You can put some lemon, but we are making a plain ginger tea. You know what happened? Let's put some lemon inside of it. Bring off a flavor of it to there. So I'm gonna put a thick slice of piece of a lemon straight into the water. And then this is Chef Ricardo's secret. Cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes and allow it for it to steam and sweat, get that flavor from it. All right, 3 to 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically it is finished because I'm using some boiling water, but you know, by the time you boil the kettle and you grate your ginger, the water might a little bit, you know what I mean, go down from, other words said, not too hot too much at the moment. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be, see it right here, I'm gonna take off the clean flame, put that one side, give it a mix. You can see there's some steam coming out of it. I mean, it's pretty good. If you like to put a little bit of honey, you can put some honey in it. So what I'm going to do is put just a little pinch of honey. Nice one. So remember, I'm using hot water, alright? But as you can see, by the time you mix it and do everything, it might lukewarm. It might get not really too hot. So basically what we're going to do is strain it. Nice one. So basically I'm just using the glass to make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Or you look in the glass. So that's the ginger tea with some lemon and honey. And as I say, it's cold weather time now, you know what I mean? You need something like this to keep your body going, you know what I mean? I get a request and I definitely have to make the video. And the fresh ginger, fresh lemon is much better more than anything else for you to have in the kitchen every time when it comes to winter or during right straight through the year. I never run out of these things. Ginger and lemon, very important for you guys to have in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching my show, and as I can see right there, that's it right there, guys. This just look amazing, and I know you guys will love it. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and liking my video, requesting the ginger tea is just amazing and brilliant. So stay tuned, we got a lot more ideas coming and a lot more stuff coming. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent the world and Jamaica. See you next time. Bye bye.